What is up YouTube, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to use your USB drive to format your computer. So the first thing you want to do is you need a 4GB USB drive if you want to format a computer, because the operating system tends to be around that size. So once you have your flash drive, plug it into your computer, which I already have done, and then open up command prompt. You can do that by clicking on the start button and typing in CMD if you're using Windows 7 or Windows Vista. If you're using Windows 8 or Windows XP, press the Windows key and R, which opens up the run program, and you can type in CMD there, and it does the exact same thing. So once you have command prompt open, type in diskpart, which opens up another program, which is another black screen, and you know you're in the right part when it says diskpart on the screen. So once you've done that, type in list disk, which shows you all the disks that are connected to your computer. So you can tell that disk 1 here is the flash drive because it's 4GB, which is 3.9 megabytes it shows. So that's 4GB, that's my flash drive that is attached. Now once you have that, type in select disk 1, or whichever disk it is that shows up on your computer. Most likely it's going to be disk 1. So once you do that, it says disk 1 is now selected. Now after that, you want to click on clean, or type in clean. At this point it wipes every file on your flash drive, so make sure you save the things on your flash drive onto a different computer, because I've lost a lot of things that way. Okay, so once you do that, type in create partition, and it says disk part succeeded in creating a specific partition. Now type in select partition. Partition 1 is now selected. Type in active. The current partition is marked as active. And now type in format fs equals ntfs. That's a type of file system, and it's going to be formatting it for you. Now this might take anywhere from a couple of minutes to a couple of hours based on how big your flash drive is. I did the same thing with my hard drive, and that took 3 hours because it's a terabyte. So I'm going to be back once this formatting is completed. Okay, so it just completed successfully. This autoplay option might pop up on your computer, so I'm just going to close that. So once your formatting is 100% complete, just type in assign, which turns make sure I type first, which turns the flash drive into a local drive. So once I do that, successfully assign that, close that again, which gives it a letter and a mount point. At this point, this makes it bootable. So if you turn your computer on and off, and yeah, I'm just gonna exit here. Once you turn your computer off and then back on again, then you're going to be able to boot from the flash drive instead of the computer's hard drive. So what I'm going to do now is go to the computer. So I've mounted the ISO file of the Windows 7 operating system. If you have a CD for it, that's absolutely fine. Just put it into your computer. It should look something like this. I'm just going to open it up. What you want to do is copy everything that's in there. So just Control C, sorry, and then go back, then go into removable disk H, which is my flash drive, and then just paste everything into there. And once that's complete, you can turn your computer off, turn it back on, and then select to boot from the flash drive. I'm going to show you a video where I recently formatted this laptop so I'm going to show you the video from there just to show you what it looks like. And yeah, I'll be right back. Once you turn your computer off and back on again, it should prompt you to press F9 or something like that. Once you do that, this screen should show up, and in that screen you can see that F9, it says boot device options, and then you press F9, and once you do that, this screen should show up, or something similar to that, where it gives you a list of options for the device you want to boot from. Use USB hard drive is what I'm using. Once you use that, it should start loading your Windows file, and you should be on your way to format your computer or upgrade it or whatever it is you want to do. Also, if you're thinking of upgrading to Windows 8, I'd suggest it's a bad idea unless you have a computer that has a touchscreen on it for a screen. Because I did upgrade my current laptop to Windows 8 and regretted it. So here I am downgrading it again to Windows 7. So thanks for watching. I hope this helped, and please leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed it. Cheers.